Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. Today it is currently Tuesday the 4th of January. We've just woken up. Our hotel room looks a lot different than when I showed you guys. We've got all of our bags in here now. I'm going to slowly go through these today and tomorrow. We've got a little Archie getting up to mischief. And this is our view this morning. There's literally somebody always playing tennis out there. There's two people out there now. And last night I was sitting down watching, trying to put Archie down to sleep, and I was just watching. We were like outside, the sunset was beautiful. Wow, can't talk. And then they also had like 4 people out there playing tennis. But yeah, anyway, today we have to go get our tests done, our pre-departure COVID test, and then we have to, I was going to go back to the house and do some stuff. I'll probably just take Archie out for a little walk or something, and then I might see my friend. So yeah, but
Archie.
Hey, no. We've also just ordered some breakfast. So that's going to be coming up to our room very shortly. I'm a little bit hungry this morning. Wow. I'm a little bit hungry this morning. So I know. Alrighty guys, so it is now later on in the afternoon. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm just waiting for Archie's dinner to arrive. I ordered him some rice for dinner. Because that's really all on the menu. I didn't really want to get him, last night I got him like a beef burger and I just took the beef out of it, cut it up, and then gave him some chips and then some vegetables. But I didn't really want to do that again, so I thought I would get him some rice tonight. He really likes rice. Don't mind my hair. I'm going to wash my hair tonight. I couldn't find my shampoo and conditioner this morning, but I found it now. But yeah, we've had a really nice day. We actually didn't end up going and getting our test done this morning. We thought we'll go and get it tomorrow since it's closer to the time that we're actually flying. I can't remember where I was. I just had a call from Ella. He's just finishing up some touches at the house. He's gone to go get a couple more suitcases just because we don't want to get to the airport and have to pay for extra kgs, because it's cheaper for us to actually buy more bags than to pay for extra kgs. So that's what we're currently doing at the moment. But yeah, I have just been waiting for Archie's food to arrive. And yeah, I need to go through some bags tonight. That's what I was talking about, I think. I've been going through our suitcases again because they are very heavy, and I'm just trying to downscale them so that they're not so heavy. There's still a couple of things at the house which Ella is going to pack into the suitcases. But yeah, I'm just trying to downscale on things here. Like, for example, I got rid of a bunch of skincare today that like I really didn't actually need. So I just gave some of that to my friend Gabby. And then also some more baby clothes. I got rid of some of those as well. And what else? I need to do my suitcase, like my suitcase. Look at that. That's ridiculous. That's my suitcase of clothes, and then that's not all of them. But yeah, I'm currently just going through my handbags because I had 2 handbags in here and I'm only taking one with me. I'll pack the other one. I've got this little one here. This is a Zara handbag. But I love this just for like every day. But I'm just going to put this into my suitcase because it's not big enough to take through the airport with me. So I'm going to take, yeah, my big Neverfull through the airport. It's just easy, fits everything in it. So I've just been clearing out that. I had a lot of like snacks that were spilt in my bag. So yeah, that's what we are doing at the moment until Archie's food arrives. He's down there playing with something. I think that's my candle, my wick trimmer. But yeah, other than that, today we have just been chilling out. Went for such a nice little walk along the water with Archie. Before we just got home like 10 minutes ago. And yeah, that was really, really nice. It's such a nice day today. Like, there's still a bit of a breeze, but it's still warm. So yeah, but I can't wait to I can't wait to wash my hair tonight. It's just so gross. I want to wash it, put some serum through it, and just make it feel all healthy again, because I've neglected my hair probably for the last month, so it just needs a good bit of TLC, I think. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go finish clearing out my bag, and then I will talk to you guys a little bit later on. Sometimes it's really hard because Archie's sleeping literally right there. It's hard to like vlog once he's gone to bed because I have to be quite quiet. But maybe I can do like some little time lapses of me doing my doing my suitcases. I'll also just show you in here too. We've had a little bit of a makeover in the bathroom. Not really a makeover, but I clean Archie's bottles in here. So we've just got his bottles set up in here. I need to clean that one properly. But I found my skincare, so I was able to put some moisturizer on this morning, which was really nice. But I found my little bits of skincare. We've got some in here. I've got some more in here. This is the stuff that I'm going to use over the time we're away, like while we're in quarantine and while we're in here. I've got some tan as well. I don't know if I want to put this on because it is quite a, I don't know, I might try this out tomorrow morning. I don't really want to sleep in the white hotel sheets with tan on, so I think I might try that in the morning. I've got my deodorant and my body cream, and then I've got a bunch of masks. I might actually do a mask tonight. My skin needs a bit of TLC. And then I found my little makeup stash too, so I was able to put... Is that right? Okay. Yeah, I was able to put a little bit of makeup on. I just put some brows and mascara on today. But yeah. Anyway, Archie's getting grumpy. I'm gonna go sort him out and talk to you guys later. All right, so it's now 7 o'clock. Archie has just gone down to sleep, so he's asleep in the room. And I'm gonna take this time. I've completely taken all of my clothes out of my suitcase. I'm gonna reorganize it, but first I want to have like a really good shower. I want to like wash my hair. I'm gonna do my hair and then do a hair mask as well. And then I'm gonna go through my suitcases and try and find my hair product, because I feel like I need to put like a serum or something through my hair as well. So I'll do that after too. But yeah, I just feel like I want a really good shower. I found my shampoo and conditioner this morning, so I'm gonna use that, and then I'll just use my shower gel that came in here. But yeah, I just feel like I need to like have a really good shower, and I think we'll do a mask after as well. We have, I might do, what one should we do? I might actually do one of my Estee Lauder ones, the Advanced Night Repair ones, because I feel like my skin needs a good like surge of, I don't know, just needs a good reboost, and Advanced Night Repair is always fantastic for the skin, so I'm going to put one of those on after as well. And yeah.